The Learning Targets app is one of the secrets behind ExitTicket's success. It's a mastery-based gradebook, and enabling it in the App Center is really critical if you want to get the most out of ExitTicket. Let me show you what the end goal is. What we're trying to do with the ExitTicket Learning Targets app is this is a gradebook that's organized not by assignments and dates. It's a mastery-based gradebook. So that means we can look at standard. This is a Common Core ELA standard, and I can look down the row and I can see how each of my students have been scoring with on questions that have been linked to this standard. So as they answer a question that has been linked with this standard, their score will update in real time, and I'll be able to see which standards are my students grasping and which do I need to review in my class again. You can also rearrange this list so it's in chronological order of your teaching style. You can even load the Common Core standards and rearrange them to how you'll teach. So you'll be able to see that I'm not ready to move on to this next learning target until I have green all up and down this list. And that doesn't just inform the teacher's instruction, it also informs students. So if I switch over to the student view and I log in as one of my students, an entirely made up student, but with data that I can show you. So if I pull up her account and if I go to the scorebook, this is what a traditional scorebook looks like. It doesn't help me very much. It tells me the date, maybe the name of the assignment, and how I did it, how I did on that. But because each one of those questions was linked to a different standard, by switching it to skill, I can scroll down a list of all of the learning objectives in my curriculum, and I can see how I'm doing on each one. So all of the initial learning targets at the beginning of the year, I'm doing wonderfully. But as I progress down, where I'm at now, I still need work on this target in particular. We'll talk later on about how we can reword these so that they're more student-friendly language, so that the student can better access that. But that's a conversation for later. Right now, the point that I'm trying to drive home is that access to this type of concept-based gradebook is just so incredible. It's the reason why, as a teacher, that I started recommending ExitTicket, and it's the reason why I'm now working with this team to try to help other teachers to do it as well. Thank you.